All right, it is Wednesday, and I finally got Wyatt Bevins to get into the common area. Took a minute, but all was successful. So, let's do this. Let's take a look at this one. Today, in our science class, we done an experiment with celery. Now, we have the word hour, okay? But really, we should change it to this hour. What are we talking about? What is this called? What are these called? Come on, does everybody know? What is this called? What are they called? Homophones. Yes, we're going to be getting into that this 9 weeks, the fourth 9 weeks. So, hour. Today in our science class, we did an experiment. Guess what? We have a
first I shouldn't be there.
That I should not be there. It should be an E. So it's EXPERIMENT. There it is. You should not get that wrong on Friday, should you? All right, with celery. All right?
Mr. T, is it okay if I took off the N and did an A experiment?
No? It's got to be in. So switch that back. Okay, we poured water onto a glass, added red dye over the water, and placed the celery between the glass. Boy, that's confusing, is it not? It's really confusing. First of all, is poured spelled right? No, it is not. It needs to be P-O-U-R-E-D. Very good. I got this thing tied on the wrong spot. All right, so we poured water onto a glass. Yeah, it should be into a glass. It should be. We poured water into a glass, comma, added red dye.
Into the water.
We could just put to the water, right? We don't have to put into. Just put to. Add a red dye to the water, and placed the celery. I don't know. In the glass. They just got real confusing with their directions, didn't they?
Yeah.
And then we have a period at the end. Guys, everybody understand that right there?
It didn't say what to put between the other side is. All it said was put between the glass.
Yeah.
And there's no other side.
So, and placed the celery in the glass, right? So, I think that we understand what they meant to say. We just have to fix it. All right, let's take a look at number 3. It says, use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Then write, the synonym for the bold word. So when my teacher asked what I observed, right, is observe the bold word on your page?
Yes.
I said that the celery leaves turned red. When the teacher, so what are some clues that help us understand what observed means? When my teachers asked me what I observed, I said, all right, so I guess the leaves turned red. So what would be a synonym for observed? A word that's different but means the same thing. Oh, come on, more than 2 people know this. What does observed mean? What other word could you plug in that means the same thing here? Jody. Saw. Bang. Let's see if it works though. When my teacher asked me what I saw, I said that the celery leaves turned red. Yeah, what else could you say? Yeah. What? Examined works. How about noticed?
I was just thinking that.
Examine works. Sure. Okay. All right, going down to number 4. It says use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Circle the meaning. All right, so the bold word, she said that the celery turned red because it absorbed the colored water. What are some clues that help us understand what absorb means? The celery turned red. Okay, it turned red.
Color
Colored water. Okay. So, what then would that mean? What would absorbed mean? Soaked up or sucked up? Yeah. All right. Very good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our screencast for today. Clear out.